front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Advanced Features. Now tap on one-handed mode on the left and use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Following that, use one of those options to decide which one will be better for you to reduce display size with: gesture or button. Whatever you decided, just follow all of the instructions below the chosen one, which in my case is double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. Now, to change placement of it, use this icon on the left or on the right. To resize it, hold one of its top corners and drag it. To move it, you can also hold this line at the top and drag it as well. To go back to standard size screen, just click on blurry area, and to disable one-handed mode fully, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!